Welcome back to this video. In today's video, I will show you on how to lock chat and unlock chats on WhatsApp. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to open up your WhatsApp. So I'm going to click on here to open my WhatsApp. After you open up your WhatsApp, you have to look for the WhatsApp chat that you want to lock. So this chat right here, I'm going to lock it. So just click on the contact. Having clicked on the contact, next thing you need to do is to click on the contact profile picture like so. It opens up like this. Next thing you want to do is to simply scroll down all the way down to where you have chat lock right here. What you need to do is to simply turn on this particular button right here. So having turned on the button, then it asks you to enter your security pattern. So I'm going to enter my pattern right here. Once you enter your lock pattern, then the button is going to be available. You can see it has been turned on. So this simply means that you have locked this chat and nobody will be able to see the chat each time they have access to your WhatsApp. Now, if you want to unlock the chat, what you need to do is to simply go back to your WhatsApp, just drag down right here. When you drag down, you see lock chat from the top. Then what you want to do here is to simply click on lock chat. Then after you click on lock chat, enter your lock pattern just like so, and the chat is going to unlock, and then you have the chat right here. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to lock chat and unlock chat on WhatsApp. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.